26th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sayyid Hassan Baghdadi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Sayyid Hassan Baghdadi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in Baghdad, Iraq. He was the Imam and Sheikh, that is, the spiritual guide of the Qadiriya Silsila Tariqa. He continued to serve the Deen day and night throughout his life. His services and its influence and essence are still alive in current teachings. People gained much blessings from him. His efforts for the propagation of Islam are praiseworthy. Hazrat Sayyid Hassan Baghdadi, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away on the 26th of Safar al-Muzaffar in 781 Hijri, corresponding to the 13th of June, 1379 AC. His holy shrine is situated in Baghdad, Iraq. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
Allah